Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the second lesson in the triangle theorem unit called isosceles triangles. Basically what we're going to first talk about is exactly what an isosceles triangle is, and then we will use the theorems that we can develop now that we have an isosceles triangle. First thing first, isosceles triangle have two equal sides. So basically it's a triangle and two of the sides have the same measure. Okay, now just to give you a little indication, when we indicate the equal sides, you put one line on both sides that are the same. Now let's take a look at the isosceles triangle theorem. Once I have an isosceles triangle, two sides are going to be equal. I know something about the angles. I know the fact that the opposite angles are equal too. Okay? So if two sides of the triangle are equal, then opposite angles are equal too. Now, for example, if I know that AC is congruent to BC, they're the same size, then the angle opposite AC, which is basically the letter that's not involved in the triangle, so I have AC here, and I know that angle B is going to be opposite side AC, and then the angle opposite AB, which is C, is going to be equal. Okay? So, let's take a look at some terminology when you deal with this. Vertex angle is the angle that's opposite, it's not equal to. So this is what I would call the vertex angle. Now, the other angles are called the base angles. Okay. These are angles that are not equal to anything. That are equal to each other. Please make sure you understand their terms because they do sometimes come up. Now, let's take a look at an example. If AB is congruent to AC and A is 50 degrees, what does angle B and angle C equal? Okay, so now, knowing this, first thing you should do is always mark up the diagram. I know that AB is congruent to AC. Now, they tell me angle A is 50 degrees. What does angle B and angle C equal? So now we look at the diagram and we see, okay, these two sides are equal. I know the opposite angles are equal too. So angle B and angle C are equal. Now, I'm looking for these, so I'm going to call this X. Now, I know also that the angles of the triangle all add up to 180 degrees. So, therefore, I can say 50 plus X is equal to 180. 50 plus 2x equals 180. We're going to subtract 50 to both sides. You get 2x equals 130. And then divide by 2. And therefore x is equal to 65 degrees. Now I can say angle B is equal to 65. And also angle C is equal to 65 degrees. Okay, one last example. If AB is congruent to AC and angle A equals 30, what does angle B and C equal? Same exact sort of situation we have. First thing I'm going to do, I have a diagram, so I'm going to mark it up. So side AB is congruent to AC. Now, with that information, what angles are going to be equal to each other? Now, I know that angle B is going to be congruent to angle C. Now, this is X, and angle A is 30. Now, we add them up, they equal 180. So 30 plus X equals 180. And then I know that 30 plus 2X equals 180. Subtract 30 from both sides, I get 2X equals 150. And then finally, divide both sides by 2, I get X is equal to 75. Okay. And that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me by leaving a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you later. Bye.